Hi, this is also watching Mr. Us channel on YouTube. In this video, we have a topic on interrogative adverbs. We know about interrogative sentences when we ask question. We ask some questions. So it's all about interrogative. What is interrogative adverbs? When adverbs are used in asking questions. When we use adverbs for asking questions, they are called interrogative adverbs. We have some list: when, where, why, how many, how much, how often, how far, how long, how high. In the first example, you can see interrogative adverb for place. For place, where. Where is Abid? And next we have interrogative adverb of time. When did he come? When did he come? How much time was on that time? Third we have interrogative adverb of reason. Why? Why are you late? Fourth we have interrogative adverb of manner. How did he do this? Next we have interrogative adverb of number. How many students are there? How many? Sixth we have interrogative adverb of quantity. How much milk would you take? Next we have interrogative adverb of frequency. Seventh one, how often are the pups born? And the last one we have interrogative adverb of degree. How far was the report true? We also have a relative or conjunctive adverbs. The relative adverb join two sentences together and show its relation to its antecedent expressed or understood. For example, show me the house where he was born. So it is connecting two sentences. You may go where you like. We shall go when he comes. We do not know how it is done. The as a relative adverb. The is sometimes used as a relative adverb which is always followed by another adverb of competitive degree. For example, the sooner the better. The more they have, the more they want. So gonna see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye for now.